Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming baseline health. Check percent and cycle count so you can measure progress. Back up important files and install updates because software can change battery reporting. Once done, charge to 100% and keep the device plugged in for about 2 hours. This equalizes temperature and lets the battery chemistry stabilize. Make sure no heavy apps run while charging. These first steps align the software and hardware, so the following adjustments will accurately affect reported health. Next, enable any optimized charging features and review battery analytics so the system manages charge peaks. Then perform a single deep discharge down to about 5% and recharge to 100% without interruption. This helps recalibrate the battery meter. While charging cycles continue, reduce screen brightness, turn off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi when unused, and limit background app refresh to lower load. These changes improve real battery longevity and clean up the software reporting. Finish by using the device through 3 normal charge cycles and then recheck the battery percentage and cycle count so you can confirm improvement. If the health reading does not update, reset the system management controller or battery service on your device. This often clears reporting errors. If the maximum capacity remains significantly reduced and performance suffers, you may need a professional battery replacement. One troubleshooting tip: if numbers jump wildly, boot into safe mode and test again to rule out app-induced anomalies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.